I'm about to take my hair down. I already got this side taken down almost.
Okay, after your hair is washed and conditioned, you want to grab some heat protectant because you want to blow dry the hair. Make sure that the hair is blow dried all the way through. Grab your bio silk and you would just want to massage that into your head. And then I'm just sectioning off his hair into two halves, one in the front and one in the back. And then after that, we're just going to section off the back of his head on the section you want to work with, depending on how thick you want the box braids to be. And I didn't want them too thick, but not too small as well. So I'm just doing it to my desired thickness. So I'm just using some shine and jam. I'm just putting it at his scalp. And I'm just adding a little bit. And I will just add a little bit more as I think I need some more. If the hair feels dry or anything like that, you want to take 3 strands of hair and then you just want to start the box braiding process. And yeah, so everything is pretty much self-explanatory on how to create this look of box braids on short men, boys' hair. So if you like this video at the end, then just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.